Hey guys, Treatment119 here. Now you may be wondering what this is, but this is the driveway right here where my dad rented a small little excavator and has smoothed it all out all through here. And I'm gonna show you it doing work. Oh, and apparently he ran over a lizard, and well, apparently it like crushed like its spine or something and well, its back legs did not work, and I released it somewhere. I released it up at one of those trees over there, and I think he's actually here. I'm just gonna assume it's a he. I think he's gonna make a full recovery. And well, there was one of those lizards too that seriously ran up into those tire treads right there. I just can't believe that it did that. It was so brutal. Actually, it wasn't really brutal. It shows how intelligent those things are. And well, we're gonna actually put gravel where all this is dug out. That's all for this video.